Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath982.
FamilyMath982. So we are continuing on. I'm zoomed in on the problem, but this is Mosteller's 50 challenging problems in probability. So we're going to do problems 11, 11 and 12 today, and they're not really computational problems. They're sort of kind of thought-provoking problems. So problem 11 is called silent cooperation. Two strangers are separately asked to choose one of the positive whole numbers and advise that if they both choose the same number, they both get a prize. If you were one of these people, what number would you choose? Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
All right. I'm zoomed out. Tell me how you might think through this dilemma.
Well, so you want to choose a number that you think somebody else will choose. So maybe like sort of a popular number. A lot of people would use that number sort of in everyday life, and then that would sort of be what comes to mind first.
Okay.
Yeah, so you probably wouldn't choose something like 1,857,432.
That's exactly what I chose. Oh my gosh, we won the prize. Yeah, or you probably wouldn't choose the latest newly discovered 63 million digit prime number.
Yep.
You'd probably choose something like 5 or 2 or 1. Something that isn't really rare to see. And also in a, I guess kind of in a mathematical sense, the probability of, like if you say you have 2 people and they're each choosing one positive integer, the probability of them choosing the same number is 0.
Yeah.
So, but this isn't really
It's not
math
random.
based. It's more like what would a human do?
Well, when you said it's not random, what do you mean by that?
Well, it wouldn't be a number that would, well, because the people are advised that if they pick the same number, they win a prize, so they wouldn't pick like a giant number because not many other people would think of that number.
Okay.
I'd say even probably less than 100.
Maybe with some exceptions.
So we could.
What would your top choices be? Do you think if you were in this situation, what are the top choices you would be thinking about?
Probably from 1 to 10. That would be probably a pretty good choice. Maybe like 50. Maybe even 100 actually. So some of these more common numbers.
Okay. How about you? What would your top choices be?
I don't know. I mean, I guess the 1 to 10 is probably a pretty safe bet. Maybe the multiples of 5, so 5n. Or that would be pretty familiar. Like you're not going to choose like 47 without a good reason. I mean, maybe it's your favorite number or something. But these kind of well-known and simple-ish numbers.
Okay.
Maybe palindromes too, like 11, 22.
All right. Here, give me the marker. All right. So don't look at each other. I'm gonna count to 3, and then as soon as I say 3, I'll say 1, 2, 3, go, and just say your number. 1, 2, 3, go.
9.
So 5 and 9. Okay, interesting. No prize. Sorry about that. Maybe next Christmas. Okay, cool. So very interesting thoughts. All right, let's move to the next problem.